And so what you do is you get the value of the inventory and divide it by the number of units in the inventory. And the reason it's called weighted average is because this 9 is weighted times 10. This $10 per unit is weighted by 20 units. So these numbers are weighted by 20, this number is weighted by 10. That's what it's called, the weighted average. So in this case, it's not an average of 950, don't call it in here. Rather, you take the value of the inventory divided by the number of units in the inventory to get the average cost per unit. All right? Now, if you guys are comfortable with that, why don't you guys do Quick Study 6.3? And what it will ask you to do is use the information that we've been working with back here in 6.1. So here is 6.3, and it will say, refer to Quick Study 6-1. That's this one. Assuming the perpetual inventory system, determine the cost assigned to ending inventory, and costs are assigned on the basis of the weighted average. So let me put that up there. I'll put up this as a template if you want something to refer to. These were just notes to myself to make sure I didn't forget to say something. I'll make it a little bigger so it's easier to read. Oh, right here. What we're doing is we're doing 6.3, but it refers you back here to 6.1. So we're using the stuff back here in 6.1. So, and what they want is the value of the ending inventory based on weighted average. All right, about half the people are done, so let me kind of call it in the middle. Let me put this up here. I put some notes on there. I'll do the notes. It kind of fills in some things that were unstated.
I got $2 more. Is that just rounding error?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the reason, sure, and the reason it is, Daniel, of course, is the fact that when you're dealing with, yeah, easily.
Okay.
Yeah. In fact, yeah, in fact, and of course, this was rounded, yeah. In fact, there's several of them, yeah. And of course, this, and the thing is, if you truncate this one or two places, it'll make all, it'll do that.
Yeah.
And this was rounded too, so there was a lot of rounding in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have to do each one, so for the ninth, you actually find the average cost for that one? Because I just took the first 3 dates, because that was changed between them. I don't know
Sure,
if I'm-
on the job, you may only want to do it at the time of the sale, because that's always really important.
Sure, okay, so you don't have to do it.
But, so what you need is you need this number here to configure your cost of goods sold.
Yeah,
However, it is that's the only time you really need to do it. It's a common practice to do it after every purchase and sale, okay? And again, this is the one that QuickBooks uses, so it's commonly used. But every purchase or sale, it just refigures the average cost of what's in inventory. All right, you guys doing good?
Yeah.
All right, okay. So, if everybody's doing good, why don't we have a review? Any questions, anything? We covered a lot of material in here. Let me see, I'm gonna walk past you, Alicia, and I don't think we need a review for our viewers at home, so I'll go ahead and pause.